All right, hello. This video is going to cover what I'm planning for hybrid learning for our Algebra 2 course. I know that every teacher might be doing things slightly differently, so I want to try and be as clear as possible about what it'll look like. I know it's a little confusing and things might change and it might be messy, but I encourage you to just hang in there, keep trying to figure stuff out on your own. Ask me questions if you can't. We'll get through it. It'll be a little messy, but at any rate, I wanted to show you the organization of our Schoology page a little bit. I'll put a slide every day with what we're doing, and in class and distance will be roughly the same. The main difference is going to be in class, I'm going to like do the lesson with you, right? And then obviously I'm there to help you with the homework. Versus distance, you will either be watching videos, like pre-made videos, or I think I'm going to have a way to if you want to watch the lesson live, you'll be able to do that too, which I'll go over more here in a second. Just a few other things about our Schoology page. I'm probably going to post every day on this calendar. So you got to click this little link to see it, or you'll see them on the side here. I'll post like what lesson we're doing roughly. So that'll give you an idea. And then you can find access to the actual materials and stuff in the folders down here. So you can see sort of week one, whatever day you're on, you can just click in there. So the first 2 days are a little weird because they're just kind of team building and syllabus stuff. But once you get to an actual lesson, if you're doing distance learning that day, you can basically just click through the videos, right? And then everybody will be doing a digital assignment, whether you're in class or distance. Your assignment will be an electronic Schoology assignment each day. So we really won't even need the books much. If you would like access to one, certainly let me know and I can get you access to a paper copy. Or there's obviously the online book, which you can access here also. Okay, so each day there'll be a little folder, right? And again, those of you in person, like you won't have to watch these videos because I'm going to go through the stuff with you in class. But if you're a distance person, you either have to watch the videos or attend a live session, right? And the live sessions again are optional. All right, so the live session link here, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what it is and what it'll look like. You would just come on, if I'm an Algebra 2 student, you could come on during any of these hours, right, for all or part of the lesson, right? Most of the lesson stuff will happen in the beginning. The later part of the time will be just devoted to work time, so that would be maybe less useful if you're a distance learner, right? But all you would do is just go into Rapid Identity, click on Google Meet, and then you're going to hit start or join, and then I'm always going to be in the room Wes Batal. So if you're ever coming for help or coming to attend live, you just type Wes Batal, boom, you'd be in the room. Okay, and I would ask that you have your mic muted, and then if you do have a question, you can unmute it and ask it, and I should be able to hear it, hopefully, and then I would answer it and we go from there. So I'm not sure if this is going to work or how many people are going to use it, but I thought it'd be fun to try it. And so just know that it is an option if you are a distance learner for a particular day. You can definitely use that. I think that's it. So again, if you ever want to find this video, you can go to our hybrid learning plan. And I'm not going to type stuff out. I just ask just watch this video again if you forget any of it. And again, the link for the live session stuff, if you ever want to try that, it's right there. I know it's going to be a weird year, it's going to be crazy, so please email me or post on our blog if you have any questions, right? I'm going to make a little blog each week, so no matter what type of learner you are, if you have any questions, post them there. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.